ALMECON Technology, your competent partner for civil and military aerospace, the offshore sector, rail vehicle construction and the food industry. Our expertise lies in joining and materials technology, forming technology, mechanical processing including 3D laser cutting, as well as in destructive and non-destructive testing methods. With ALMECON, you receive ready-to-install products from a single source, flexibly, quickly and reliably. High-tech for series production. With our comprehensive process landscape and state-of-the-art technology, such as digital X-ray inspection and 3D laser cutting technology, we fulfill the highest quality standards. Our solutions are ideal for safety-relevant and highly stressed parts. ALMECON has stood for innovation and quality for over 20 years. From winning the Supplier Award 2018 to developing pioneering technologies, we create solutions for your requirements. Our strategy: sustainable growth, customer satisfaction and continuous investment in new technologies. Rely on a team that delivers perfection in series. ALMECON, your partner for innovative solutions. Contact us today.